Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. In today's video, I'll be teaching us how to make aloe vera body wash. Today's video, I'll be teaching us how to make aloe vera body wash. And don't forget that my YouTube channel, everything done on this YouTube channel is seasoned with love. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, I talked a lot about how to make healthy diet, how to do home decoration on budget. I talk about different DIY beauty hack, life hack. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please press on the subscribe button. And for today's video, like I said, I'll be making aloe vera body wash. And I'll be making two types of aloe vera body wash. I'll be making the bar soap and I'll be making the liquid soap. And to make these two types of aloe vera body wash, I'll be using a couple of ingredients, which I have on my plate. I have the aloe vera, which I'll be using to make this bar soap and the liquid body wash. Also, I have 100% honey, which I'll be using. I have lemon. I'll be using the lemon juice and the lemon zest. I have organic coconut oil, which I'll be adding. I have glycerin, vegetable glycerin. This is optional. I have vitamin E oil, which I'll be adding. And I have the main ingredients, which is the liquid body soap. And you can use any body soap of your choice. And I have the bar soap that I'll be using here. And you can actually use any liquid soap of your choice or any bar soap of your choice. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to cut the aloe vera, and I'll be blending. And the quantity of aloe vera you'll be using should be ratio 1:1 of the quantity of the liquid body wash or the bar soap you want to use. Don't forget, the quantity of the aloe vera you'll be using should be ratio 1:1 of the quantity of the bar soap or the liquid soap you'll be using. Please stay tuned, relax, and let's both enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for watching to the end, and it's still your girl, Cecelia Ho. And my YouTube channel is Cecelia Howard. Please like my video, watch my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's dive in. I love you. So now I have the aloe vera portioned into two parts for the bar soap and the liquid body wash. So for the bar soap, I'll be adding this, and this is in ratio 1 to the quantity of bar soap that I'll be using. And also for the body wash, I'll be adding this, is in ratio 1 to the quantity of the liquid soap that I'll be using. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to get the lemon zest out, and I'll be getting the lemon juice out. So I'm getting the lemon zest out, which I'll be using. And to get the lemon zest out, you're simply removing the back of your lemon to add into the soap that we'll be making today. So I'm getting the lemon zest out. Now I have the lemon zest. Is the back of the lemon. I have the lemon zest. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to get my lemon juice. So the next thing I'm doing is to get the lemon juice. So it's just squeezing out the lemon juice, which we'll be adding to make today's aloe vera bar and liquid body wash. So I have the lemon juice squeezed already. I have the lemon juice squeezed. So because I want my bar and the liquid aloe vera soap body wash to be smooth, so the next thing I will be doing is I'll be blending the lemon zest using the lemon juice, because I want the content of the aloe vera body wash and the bar soap to be smooth without any particles. So I'll be blending the lemon zest using the lemon juice. That will be the next thing I'll be doing now. And this step is actually optional. If you don't mind, you can leave it. But because the aim is to have a smooth aloe vera body wash and bath soap by the time I'm done. So how about blending the lemon zest using the lemon juice. I have the blended lemon zest and the lemon juice, which I'll be using for the body wash. So the next thing, so here is the blended lemon zest and the lemon juice. The next thing I'll be doing now is to cut the bath soap in preparation for making the bath soap, aloe vera bath soap. So I'm going to cut this. You can actually grate, but I'll be cutting into small chunks. So now I'm grating the bath soap that I'll be using. I'm still grating the bath soap that I'll be using. I'm grating the bath soap that I'll be using. So now I have the grated bar soap, and the next thing, here's the grated bar soap that I'll be using. And the next thing I'll be doing now is to blend the aloe vera with water. So I have the grated bar soap. I'll be blending the aloe vera using water. So I already have the aloe vera divided into 2 portions. So this I'll be using for the bar soap, and this I'll be using for the liquid soap. So I'll be blending them. And to blend this aloe vera, I'll be using 110 ml of water. This is just water. 110 ml of water. And the quantity of the aloe vera you'll be using depends on the quantity of soap you want to make. So now I have the aloe vera juice blended, and I use 110 ml of normal water to blend this aloe vera juice. I blended the first part. Here's the aloe vera juice, which I'll be using to make today's body wash. So the next thing, here's the aloe vera juice. The next thing I'll be doing now is to blend the second part of the aloe vera juice. And I'll be adding 110 ml of natural water. Just 110 ml. So I'll be blending the second part, which I'll be using for the liquid soap. So the aloe vera juice for the liquid body wash is done too. So the next thing I'll be doing now, and here is the aloe vera juice. So I'm using this for the liquid body wash, and I'll be using this for the bar soap, aloe vera bar soap. The next thing I'll be doing now is to prepare my soap on the stove. So I'll see you over there. So to save time, I'll be doing both bar soap and the liquid aloe vera body wash simultaneously. So I have 2 pots here. The next thing I'll be doing now is to warm my water, which I'll be putting the container in to melt and prepare the bar soap and the liquid soap. So next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to warm the water, and you're using double boiler. And like I said, to save time, I'll be doing both simultaneously, just to save time. So the next thing I will do is to let this water boil, and we'll continue to make the body. So the water is already boiled, and the next thing I will be doing, this is still trying to come up, but it's okay. I'll be putting my container, which I'll be used to melt the soap and to prepare the aloe vera body wash. So I'll be putting one into each of the parts, and like I said, I'll be doing both the bar soap and the body wash, aloe vera body wash and the aloe vera bar soap simultaneously to save us time. So the first thing I'll be doing now is I'll be adding the liquid soap into the container here. And the next thing I'll be adding is I'll be adding the grated bar soap into this container. I'm adding the grated bar soap into this container. And to melt this bar soap, I actually microwaved like 110 ml of water to melt the bar soap. So I'll be adding that. You don't want to add too much of water so that you don't make the content of your soap watery. See, I don't even finish the 110 ml. And in this container, you see, my bar soap is already melting. It's melting already. So the next thing I'll be doing now, since I have my bar soap melted, and I have the liquid body wash also warmed. So what I'll be doing now is to add the aloe vera juice into each of the container. So I'll be adding the aloe vera juice. I just added the aloe vera juice into the bar soap, into the melted bar soap. I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be adding the aloe vera juice into the liquid body wash. And I'm doing this simultaneously just to save time, because there is no point to do it separately. So I have the body wash here, the liquid body wash. I added the aloe vera juice. And here I have the melted bar soap, and I added the aloe vera juice into this. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to I'll be adding the blended lemon zest with lemon juice. I have to divide this in equal parts into this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. So I just added the lemon zest and the lemon juice into both body wash, liquid body wash, and the bar soap, the melted bar soap. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I'll be adding tablespoon of 100% honey. I'll be adding 1 full tablespoon. I'll be doing the same thing with the liquid soap. 1 full tablespoon. Like I said, I'm doing this simultaneously to save us time. And the next thing will be to add the vitamin E oil. This is not needed. It's just optional. I'm adding this as a form of preservative. And I'll be adding the coconut oil. 1 big tablespoon of coconut oil. The coconut oil into each contents. 1 big, tablespoon into the liquid body wash too. And I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of glycerin. You need to add this. Added 1 tablespoon of glycerin, and don't forget to do this on slow heat. And the glycerin is actually optional. I'm adding this for shelf life, and also durability. to keep the soap. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to keep stirring. I'll be stirring. So the bar aloe vera body wash is ready, and also the liquid aloe vera body wash is ready. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'll let us cool down for 24 hours. But for the bar aloe vera body wash, I'll be pouring that into the soap mold. And to hasten the process of solidifying, you can actually put this in the refrigerator for 4 hours. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be adding some oil into the soap mold, and I will be using the coconut oil, and I will pour this liquid bar soap in here for this to solidify. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard, and I really appreciate you for staying tuned to the end. Thank you. I love you all. I'll update you with the final product. Thank you. Bye for now. So both aloe vera bar soap and the body wash is ready. So what I did was I let the body wash sit for 24 hours, and I did the same thing with the aloe vera bar soap. I let this sit for 24 hours, and you can actually refrigerate. So now I'll be removing the soap from the soap mold, and I'll be pouring the aloe vera body wash into the containers that I have here. So that will be the next thing I'll be doing, is to remove the bar soap from the soap mold. And I got the soap mold from Amazon, and you see the bar soap is ready. I'll be removing it. It's very easy to remove that. And I got this from Amazon. Aloe vera body wash, body soap. So I have the bar soap removed already from the mold, and here is the aloe vera bar soap. And I will be pouring the body wash into the container. The body wash, I'll be pouring it into the container. This is the Aloe Vera Liquid body wash. I allow this to sit for 24 hours and it thickened up. So you see, the Aloe Vera Liquid body wash is ready, and I was able to get just one container, and this is ready. And I have the bar soap here too. Please like this video, share with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you.